Are you feeling the squeeze of your financial situation, relying heavily on a single income source? If so, you're not alone. The current job market is a harsh landscape. Jobs are disappearing at an alarming rate, and those remaining often fail to provide adequate compensation. This harsh reality has left many of us scrambling to supplement our income, working multiple jobs or side gigs just to make ends meet. The traditional model of employment, once considered a secure and reliable means of earning a living, has become increasingly precarious. The risks of relying solely on one income source have never been more apparent. A sudden layoff, an unexpected illness, or even a global pandemic can wreak havoc on your financial stability. Gone are the days when a single job could provide a comfortable life. The struggle for supplementary income is one you likely know well. But remember, every challenge presents an opportunity for change. Let's explore the potential of self-employment and entrepreneurship. But what if there's another way? A way that nearly 30% of the population has already started exploring. Yes, we're talking about self-employment. The rise of self-employment has been remarkable, with technology playing a significant role in empowering people to start and grow their own businesses. From online marketplaces and social media platforms to software tools and apps, technology has made it easier than ever to become your own boss. It has enabled people to monetize their skills, passions, and ideas, creating a diverse range of businesses, from e-commerce stores and consultancy services to tech startups and content creation. The flexibility and autonomy that come with self-employment are attractive, but it's the potential for financial growth that really sets it apart. In this realm, your earnings aren't capped by a salary. Your income is a reflection of your effort, creativity, and determination. Yet some still cling to traditional employment as the sole path to financial security. The reality is, trading time for money limits your earnings. This statement may sound harsh, but it holds truth. Traditional jobs often bind us to a fixed income, regardless of the amount of effort we invest. There's a ceiling on how much we can earn, and it's usually set by someone else. Compare this to entrepreneurship, where the potential for income is virtually limitless. Here we're not talking about overnight success, but rather the power of sustained effort and smart strategies. People who really make money work on their own projects and manage their time as they see fit. Get out of the trap called the rat race and create a successful business. Creating a successful business takes time, maybe months, maybe years, especially when it comes to profits. It can take decades for a startup to reach the point of starting to generate a lot of profit. A crucial aspect of business that we need to understand is that even if a company does not generate profit initially, it still has value. This is because value is determined by the profits the company will generate over its lifetime. Take PayPal, for example. In its early stages, the company was operating at a loss. To the untrained eye, it may have seemed like a sinking ship, but the founders saw beyond the immediate challenges. They understood that the real value of their enterprise lay in its future potential. Their belief paid off. Today, PayPal is a globally recognized brand, a testament to the power of long-term vision and resilience. If you are attentive in this video comment like this, I carve my own opportunities. When I see your comment, I'll give you a little like. Similarly, let's consider Apple. A tech giant today, but it didn't start that way. It was Steve Jobs' relentless pursuit of his vision that transformed Apple from a garage startup to a global leader. His success wasn't handed to him. He seized the opportunities that came his way. These stories highlight an essential truth. Entrepreneurship breaks the boundaries of traditional employment. It's not about clocking in hours, it's about creating value. Your earnings are tied to the value you provide, not the time you put in. Yes, entrepreneurship comes with its share of challenges. It requires commitment, resilience, and a willingness to take risks. But it also offers unparalleled freedom and the potential for substantial financial rewards. So let's shift our perspective. Let's stop trading our time for money and start building businesses that create value. Remember, success in entrepreneurship, much like in life, demands seizing opportunities, not waiting for them. In the end, the choice is ours. We can choose to stay within the confines of traditional jobs, or we can step into the exciting world of entrepreneurship. The potential is immense. It's up to us to tap into it. Success demands seizing opportunities, not waiting for them. In today's world, opportunities abound for the bold. The entrepreneurial journey is not for the faint-hearted. It's a path filled with challenges, but it's these very challenges that offer chances for growth. It's through navigating these obstacles that we uncover innovative solutions, develop resilience, and gain the skills needed to thrive. Success in entrepreneurship is not about avoiding challenges, but about embracing them, learning from them, and using them as stepping stones towards your goals. It's about viewing every problem as a potential opportunity for innovation and growth. This is the entrepreneurial mindset, a mindset that doesn't shy away from the hard work, but sees it as the incubator for success. It's a mindset that values creativity, persistence, and the relentless pursuit of value creation. It's a mindset that knows that success is not a destination but a journey fraught with challenges, but also filled with countless opportunities. Your success awaits, seize it boldly. As you've journeyed thus far, reflecting on these insights, I invite you to like, subscribe, and affirm your dedication by leaving a comment below.